When you think of who invented the internet, what images come to mind? Perhaps, at first, you think of ARPANET, the government-funded project which connected computers on a network for the very first time. Or perhaps you think about Tim Berners-Lee, who invented the World Wide Web in 1989. But take a minute and think. Who is left out of this important conversation? That was the exact question which Charlton McWane used to write his book, Black Software. The term black software is used to emphasize the notion that, in order to understand the internet, we need to recognize the diverse groups of people who helped develop and design these technologies. Charlton describes the Vanguard, a group of black entrepreneurs, hobbyists, organizers, and activists who all helped contribute to the internet as we experience it today. This group of people helped to push black culture and concerns into the very development of early computers and the internet. Black software is also used to highlight how these technologies are used to surveil, monitor, and punish black people as a means to further reinforce racial inequality, just as much as it is used to highlight the contributions of black innovators. Racial justice movements are just as important today as they were when the Vanguard was helping to develop the internet. And with the internet becoming more and more integrated into our everyday lives, it is important to recognize the technology's ability to ignore minority voices while amplifying hateful rhetoric. In the Reply All podcast, Yik Yak returns. A story is told about how the internet can be a place where anonymous hatred can be spread without consequences. Anonymity has been found to be both a positive and a negative thing in revealing racist rhetoric online. On one hand, anonymous messaging boards enable racist and harmful messages about minority populations to be spread. But, at the same time, it helps to reveal the fact that minority groups are not making up experiences with racism and provide definitive proof that their experiences are real. Even the government has used the internet as a means to surveil and punish black users and track their activities online. For instance, the Department of Homeland Security monitored the online hashtag Black Lives Matter and tracked the movements of prominent social activists via their social media profiles. These practices bring into question whether or not black people are truly free to express opinions online without fear of punishment. Overall, black software is an all-encompassing term to recognize both the black contributors to the internet while also understanding the social context within which black individuals must navigate the internet today.